I think no drill blinds are such a smart invention, especially if you don't want to damage your walls or deal with a complicated installation process. These Cellular shades were sent to me for my feedback, and honestly, one of the best parts is just how effortless they are to install. So each end has these spring-loaded attachments. So all you do is place one side into the window frame and then compress the other side and pop it into place. Then you can secure it with the little metal tool they include. You can cover the ends with the little sliders. And that's basically it. No drilling, no brackets, and no tools needed. There's also this small plastic grip handle that you can attach, and that's it. Another thing I really like is that you can easily move these shades from one room to another, or even from one apartment to another. With traditional blinds, once they're installed, they usually stay there, so these are much more flexible and renter friendly. And I really like this cordless design. It just looks clean without anything hanging. And they also help with privacy, insulation, and even noise reduction. Overall, these are very well made. They look modern and minimal, and I think they're a great option if you want something easy to install without putting holes in your walls.